IQOO Neo 9 Pro will launch soon in global market. Fast refresh rate OLED display, flagship camera setup, flagship processor, fast charging and many more. Today I am going to show you unboxing and first impression video of IQOO Neo 9 Pro blue color variant. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's start with the unboxing of the IQOO Neo 9 Pro. On the box, you'll find the branding of Neo. Cut the plastic on the box and open the lid. Inside, you'll first see the IQOO Neo 9 Pro phone. Put the phone aside for a moment and check the rest of the box contents. You'll find a transparent case, a Type-C to Type-C cable, a 120W power adapter, and finally, a SIM ejector tool. Now, let's talk about the design and build of the phone after removing the plastic wrap. The phone comes in blue color, but you can also get it in black, red, and white color options. The back of the phone is glossy and made of glass. It feels lightweight and isn't too thick. Also, I've already uploaded a detailed review video of the black variant of the IQOO Neo 9 Pro, along with a comparison video of the IQOO Neo 9 Pro and the OnePlus 12R. You'll find the links to both videos in the description below and in the card above, so make sure to check them out. Talking about the phone's frame, it's made of plastic. On the back of the phone, you'll see a dual camera setup at the top left. Now, let's discuss the display of the IQOO Neo 9 Pro. It features a 6.78-inch OLED display with a resolution of 1.5K. It also comes with LTPO technology, which means you'll get an adaptive refresh rate ranging from 1 Hz to 120 Hz. And friends, this is the Honor 90 GT phone. Globally, Honor has already launched the Honor 90, and if they were to launch its GT variant as well, it would be quite an impressive phone. It would offer numerous options in this segment. By the way, I've also uploaded a detailed review video of the Honor 90 GT, which is a superb phone. Make sure to check out the video. Additionally, talking about the camera setup of the IQOO Neo 9 Pro, it boasts flagship-level features. The main camera sports a 50-megapixel Sony IMX920 sensor, and the same sensor is also found in Vivo's flagship series, the X100. You can see camera samples in the detailed review video. Talking about performance, the phone will be exceptional with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. It comes with a huge 5160 mAh battery and supports 120W charging. Speaking of the globally leaked price of the IQOO Neo 9 Pro, according to the leaks, the initial price was around £370 UK. If it launches in this price range, it will be the best phone in this segment. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have any questions, also give this video thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.